This is Jack. Jack is a 3-year-old neutered Jack Russell Terrier. He was brought to the Humane Society because the cat in the home was not too fond of him. He is housebroken. He's good with dogs his own size. He's a typical Jack Russell Terrier who has a lot of energy and needs an active home. If you want to meet Jack, come down to the Humane Society. This is Weston. Weston is a 4.5-year-old neutered Manchester Terrier. He was brought to the Humane Society because he had a little too much energy for his previous family. He is housebroken, he's good with dogs, and would do best in a home with teenagers or one that is kid-free. He's described as hyper, affectionate, and very independent. If you want to meet Weston, come down to the Humane Society.